18 natural laxatives that work. Regular bowel movements are an important aspect of your body's overall health. Constipation occurs from lack of activity, poor diet, aging, pregnancy, and certain types of medications. It is an uncomfortable condition that makes you feel bloated and may even cause pain if your stool is hard or excessively dry. Consuming natural laxatives helps restore your body's elimination schedule and reduce the discomfort of constipation. Here are 18 natural laxatives to help your body regain bowel regularity. 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds add much-needed bulk to your stool and are an excellent source of fiber. Interestingly, they treat not only constipation but also diarrhea. Flax seeds have no significant odor or flavor, so they make an excellent addition to many foods. Pancakes, smoothies, cereal, bread, oatmeal, and other baked goods are all great choices to place a few spoonfuls of flax seeds. 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds have been heralded for centuries as a natural laxative. The small seeds naturally absorb water and swell inside your digestive tract. They are a great way to treat constipation as long as you drink plenty of fluids. Once the chia seeds expand inside the colon, they easily help stools move along and exit. 3. Leafy green vegetables. The chances are good that since you have been a child you have heard to always eat your vegetables. Well, leafy green vegetables contain ample magnesium, which improves your digestive tract. Magnesium is a natural electrolyte. It helps draw water from your digestive tract and soften stools. It also reduces painful colon spasms by acting as a natural muscle relaxant. When consuming magnesium-rich foods, remember that magnesium can also cause diarrhea, so it is a balancing act in your diet. You will have to adjust your diet accordingly to determine exactly how many leafy green vegetables you can consume without suffering from stools that are too loose. 4. High-fiber fruits. Fruits contain fiber, water, and antioxidants, which are all beneficial to the digestive tract. Some fruits such as apples and pears contain pectin, which stimulates your bowels while adding water to make the stool softer and easier to pass. Figs, dates, and prunes have been used for centuries to increase dietary fiber and regulate the digestive system. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Organic, raw apple cider naturally detoxifies the body and assists the digestive tract in food digestion. It also provides a natural energy boost. 6. Aloe vera. Anthraquinone occurs naturally in aloe vera. It increases the water content in the bowels, creates mucus, and helps the intestines digest food efficiently by stimulating the colon's natural contracting ability. Aloe vera is also a natural anti-inflammatory. When used frequently, aloe vera reduces yeast formation in the intestines and increases the colonization of good bacteria within the colon. Over time, aloe vera balances the gut's pH levels to regulate acid and alkaline, which helps dramatically improve the body's digestive tract. 7. Probiotic foods. Probiotics occur naturally in your gut and are considered good bacteria. The bacteria colonize in your digestive tract and help the body in all aspects of digestion. Certain foods and drinks such as kefir, sauerkraut, kombucha, yogurt, and kimchi contain beneficial probiotics. 8. Coconut water. Coconut water assists the body in maintaining electrolytes. It gives the system a natural hydration boost. It provides the body with 12% of the dietary potassium allowance. Excessive consumption of coconut water can cause loose stools, but when taken in moderation it aids in digestion and regulates bowel functions. 9. Legumes. Peanuts, peas, chickpeas, beans, and lentils are all legumes. They naturally increase the body's production of butyric acid, which is a short-chain fatty acid that stimulates the bowels. Studies conducted by the Department of Pediatric Gastroenterology and Nutrition, Medical University of Warsaw in Poland found that butyric acid stimulates the mucus production in the colon, which alleviates constipation. 10. Olive oil. Olive oil helps lubricate the colon to make passing stools easier. It also stimulates the small intestine to speed up digestion. 11. Rhubarb. Rhubarb contains senescide A, which increases the water content in the colon and stool. It is also rich in fiber. As little as 1 cup of rhubarb contains 2.2 grams of fiber. 12. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit is high in fiber and contains pectin to stimulate colon contractions. It speeds up digestion and also makes bowel movements easier and more frequent. 13. Coffee. Many people enjoy a morning cup of coffee, which rouses their bowels, so they have a regular movement every morning. It encourages the colon to contract, which facilitates a bowel movement. Researchers believe that coffee spurs the body's gastrin hormone, which naturally helps the body break down food and makes the colon contract. 14. Psyllium. Psyllium is naturally derived from husks and seeds from the Plantago ovata plant. It absorbs water and rapidly forms a gel. The gel softens stool so it is easier to pass. It also increases the frequency of bowel movements. 15. Oat bran. Oat bran is made from the outer layers of oat grains. It is exceptionally high in fiber. 16. Senna. Senna is a herb that works as a natural colon stimulant. It activates the digestive tract to encourage the easy passage of stool. 17. Artichokes. Artichokes are a fiber gold mine. A small artichoke has about 10 grams of fiber. The entire artichoke can be consumed cooked or only eat the hearts if you prefer. 18. Cauliflower. Cauliflower contains about 5 grams of fiber per cup. It can be cooked or consumed raw with a dip. Some people do have a hard time eating cauliflower raw because it can upset the stomach. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more health and wellness news and tips, subscribe to this channel.